Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. I worked out the first part for Chris. I'll let you do the second part for Rita. The mean finish time in a yearly auto race is 187 a minute, 87.75 minutes. So that's the mean with a standard deviation of 0.307. So the standard deviation. The winning car is driven by Chris at 186.77 minutes. So that's his particular score here. Here's the formula. The z-score equals the particular score minus the mean all over standard deviation. So I put in Chris's score 186 time 186.77 minus the mean over standard deviation. And that come out to minus 3.19. That would be for the z-score for Chris. And then you have to redo it. The information's different for the next part. Hope that helps.